Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and add your Six Flags Pass to Apple Wallet. It's a very easy and simple process, When you do something like purchase a ticket, you often have the option to add it to Apple Wallet, right? And you can do this many ways. You can use the QR code, airdrop sharing, right? Can through Apple Pay. Really easy. You first just come here and tap on add to Apple Wallet. Okay? And if you don't see the add to Apple Wallet option, just contact the merchant or company that issued it. Make sure they actually support passes in the wallet. In this case, it would be Six Flags. Now, next you just want to tap on the add option. In the upper right corner, you'll see a plus icon. Go ahead and tap on that and just follow the on screen instructions. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.